Is Plaid giving you a headache, preventing you from connecting your bank account to your favorite financial app? Don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, we're going to explore some workarounds to bypass those Plaid roadblocks and get you connected first. Let's try the obvious: double check your bank login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct username and password. Sometimes a simple typo can be the culprit. Next, ensure your bank is actually supported by Plaid. While Plaid supports thousands of institutions, some smaller banks or credit unions might not be compatible. Check Plaid's official website for a list of supported banks. If your bank isn't listed, that explains the issue. If your bank is supported, but you're still encountering errors, try connecting through your bank's website or app first. Sometimes logging in directly can clear up any security glitches preventing Plaid from connecting. Then try Plaid again. Still no luck? It's time to consider alternative connection methods. Some apps offer the option to manually link your account using your bank's routing and account numbers. This bypasses Plaid entirely, however. Remember, this may take longer to set up initially. If none of these solutions work, explore if the financial app has an alternative data connectivity partner besides Plaid. Some apps use multiple services for secure financial data sharing. Look in the settings or connection options. As a last resort, contact both Plaid support and the financial app's customer service. They might have specific solutions or be aware of ongoing issues affecting your bank. By trying these workarounds, you'll increase your chances of successfully connecting your bank account and enjoying all the features of your favorite financial apps.